Hello, this is Vivian. Welcome to my channel. My channel is all about Chinese cooking, Asian food. So today, I'm going to cook my favorite Chinese dish. The pork ribs is called Tang Cu Pai Gu. The sweet and sour pork ribs. I'm gonna let my cologne show you the ribs and the ingredients.
Hello.
Okay, I'm Vivian too, so I will show you the rib I used today.
Yeah.
Usually I like to use baby back ribs, but you can use spare ribs too. They're kind of big. You actually can have them cut in the market at Whole Foods, but if you can't find anywhere to cut them, this small, just cut them at home. This is my special knife to cut bones. I think cut is small, also easier for kids to eat. We say 1, 2, 3. Chop. Chop. Look at that. Another one. It's kind of big. Oh, dropped. So next step is we put the ribs in the pot. Then we boil them first. Your ribs will be inside be tender, outside crispy. Water is coming. I have a lot of kids, so I'm making so much ribs. Green onions. And about 4 or 5 slices of ginger. Star anise. Add about 3 or 4 of them. Now, we turn on high. Let's boil. Then we turn it down for about 40 minutes until tender. Cooking oil, I like to use canola oil. That's a traditional one we use in China all the time. Now the ribs all drain the water, so we are going to put them in and brown them outside, get it crispy. Then put the ribs, stir fry them in the oil until they are brown. Then we take them out. Just watch to the end, see the results, amazing. And the pork rib is really tender because we boiled it before. In a basket, draining the oil into a bowl to make the sauce. So now we're going to use the soup we just boiled the ribs. Half cup of the soup, then sugar. So we caramelize the sugar first when it's kind of getting brown, like a caramel color with big bubbles. Sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and Chinese vinegar, 镇江香醋. So particularly this brand is very good. And that sauce. We put the ribs back into the wok. Toss the ribs coating with the sauce. Whoa, perfect. Look at the color. We're gonna cook the sauce down a little bit, adding more little soup in here. We're gonna cook the sauce a little thicker. This is going to be so good. My kids are gonna love this, and they kill a lot of rice tonight. So now we take the ribs out. Totally ready. We are finished with some sesame seeds. Optional. Really add some more flavor and texture here. See the ribs. So now let me try this. Then I get my kids, let them try. Oh, keep dropping, dropping the ribs. Look at that. So tender inside and crispy outside. Amazing. Can't stop eating. So I will see you next time in another delicious meal. Don't forget subscribe, hitting the bell, and you get notifications every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.